In this video, I'm going to show you how to do AI code reviews in VS Code. So first, run up VS Code, and then here you want to go ahead to the very left-hand side and click on Extensions. Here where you can search for extensions, type in Code Rabbit, which is going to be the one we're going to be using. So if it doesn't pop up, I have to spell correctly. There we go. You will see Code Rabbit. Click on this, and then click on Install over here. Now here you'll have to click on Trust Publisher and install, and then in just a few seconds Code Rabbit will be installed. Now here you can now see it on the left. You have Code Rabbit as an extension, and then you can start using it for free by clicking over here, use Code Rabbit for free, and then you will have to open up an external website to basically sign in. So click on Open over here, and what this will do is it will open up this window over here where you'll basically be able to log in with GitHub or any of these. So I'm just gonna click on Login. But of course, if you don't have an account, you can sign up here as well. So let me quickly log into this with GitHub. There we go. Here you simply have to click on Authorize Code Rabbit AI. And then once you do this, as you can see, you can then open Visual Studio Code via this button over here again. And then you can basically just get access to it now over here. So here you'll have to click on Open. And now there we go. It's going to click say logging in. And it's going to say, there we go, you are now successfully logged in and you're authenticated. Now, to actually start using this Code Rabbit over here, you can then, of course, use it to start reviewing code. Now, the way you can do this is, first, you will of course have to have some code in here. So currently I have no projects. However, when you do, go over here to Code Rabbit, and then here you'll be able to essentially start this. So just click on the settings box up here, and then as you can see, you can go to the workspace or user, and then you can see your Code Rabbit extension over here. You can choose which agent type you would like. So this native is default, but of course you can use these over here as well. Here you can of course select how to handle review after commits, and then here it says timeout for code reviews in minutes, and you can set 0 for no timeout. So make sure you actually set this, because this is kind of the settings. And then here you can then just start using it once you have some code in here. Okay, so what this will do is it will cut your code review time and bugs in half. As it says over here, it will catch the security issues, the bugs, it will analyze PRs with full code base context, etc. Okay, so this is basically what it can do. Now this is the one I would use, and then once you have some code in here, you can just go ahead, come over here, it will show you all your code, and then you can just start analyzing and reviewing it inside of VS Code. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.